I gotta be honest, I was never a fan of tuna salad growing up, but as I've gotten older, even though I'm plant-based now, I appreciate the versatility of it. So today we're gonna be doing a whole food plant-based version of a tuna salad starring chickpeas. Now, I've done chickpeas a few different ways before, and if you're interested, you could see that in the video that I will link above right here. Now, chickpeas are one of my favorite ingredients out there, and they're loaded with fiber, a great source of plant-based protein, and B vitamins and minerals. I go over that in more detail in the other video. But today, they'll make a great substitute for tuna in this chickpea salad of sorts. So let's go over what's going into our plant-based version of this tuna salad here. Of course, we have the chickpeas. Those are going to be a star of the show, along with some carrots, celery, red onion. Those are staples to your tuna salad. We're going to add some garlic, some cilantro, some lemon juice. We're also going to be adding sunflower seeds to give this a little bit more texture overall. And instead of your vegan mayo that's usually loaded with unhealthy processed fats, we're going to be using tahini and Dijon mustard to make the base of the dressing of this salad. Now, you can use either a homemade tahini or a store-bought one. Now, I did a video on how to make tahini, so you can find that right here. But like I said, today we're going to be sticking with a store-bought version, and that's totally fine. So the first thing to do here is mash your chickpeas. Now, you can mash them to your heart's content. I prefer to keep some texture, so some of these chickpeas you'll see are going to be left whole. But depending on how creamy you want in your salad, you can mash them to your liking. Then we're going to be adding the sunflower seeds, the carrots, the celery, and the red onion. Then we're going to add in our cilantro, our lemon juice, our tahini, and our Dijon mustard. And we're going to toss this until everything is evenly combined. Now, unlike I did in this video, you can take these ingredients and whisk them together in a separate bowl before adding them to ensure everything is mixed together properly. From there, we're going to season with salt and pepper to taste, and then our salad is good to go. Now, I remember when I was a kid, if I had tuna salad, I would always have it with hot sauce, so I'm gonna make a quick hot sauce here. So what I have here is about a tablespoon or so of tahini. This is gonna add some thickness to our sauce. Then about 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and really you can add as much sriracha as you want here. And you're gonna add at least equal parts amount of vinegar. Today I'm using white vinegar, and if you want a more acidic hot sauce, feel free to add more. Bear in mind, you might have to adjust the ratios here just to get this type of hot sauce that you want. I, for instance, prefer a vinegar forward hot sauce, so I'm going to be adding more of the white vinegar. And this is going to make a great spread for our sandwich. So I want to toast my bread quickly here just to give this a little texture. So on a dry grill pan here, I'm going to be toasting only one side of the bread. The toasted side is going to be the inside of the sandwich, and the softer side is going to be on the outside. The reason for this is when you bite into it, there's a better chance that your sauce and fillings won't fall out, as the toasted side kind of helps keep everything together. So once our bread's done, it's time to assemble this sandwich. So the fixings I'm using today are some shredded cabbage, some tomato, and some avocado. Now you want to layer the fatty portions on the bread first, because these fattier elements will absorb the watery elements that go in the middle. So on one side, I'm gonna add the hot sauce, and the other side, I'm gonna be adding some sliced avocado. Then we're gonna be adding our chickpea salad, cabbage, and tomato, and then we're gonna put it together that way. Then we're simply gonna cut this diagonally and then stack to face forward. And then once this is sliced, you can serve this really however you want, with the side salad, or even some more of our chickpea salad on the side. And there you go. It's a super versatile lunch. This is something that's great for kids on sandwiches. You can even put this on toast or just have it on its own. Just an incredibly versatile recipe that can be used in a variety of different ways and easy to make in bulk. So thank you guys for tuning in again this week. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.